Hi YouTube family, like I said in the other clip, the little short clip I just sent you, we are on our way now to Manchester just for an outing, and also to just take, it's holiday time for my the kids, school kids, so I decided to take my daughter out for some lunch. So we are going to Manchester now, so join me as we go to Manchester, and I hope you like the scenery, and as we go, just be happy to listen to the background music. So let's go. Here we go. Regional Mitchell Way. It takes us to the A500. vehicles like these trucks, they're supposed to be on the left-hand side, but I don't know what that guy is up to. So the fast cars are supposed to be on the right-hand side, and the middle lane is supposed to be used just for overtaking, and then for the slow any vehicle, then you go back onto the left-hand side. See, like what this truck is doing, is going back on the left. That's why he wants to overtake. But let's go, 70 miles an hour. Oh my goodness. And you know there are farms on the side here of the road. I'm telling you, they use organic manure to fertilize their field. Usually it's cow dung and they spray it in the fields. It's nice and green, but as you drive on the side of the road, oh yeah, it's a very, very overpowering smell. Very pungent. I'm not complaining. I'm complaining because I'm one of those guys that supports organic farming. So for me, it's nothing strange. I'm talking about somebody who's going to be smelling for the very first time. You know, the weather forecast says it's going